What are we making today?
Cookies. Butter.
These are our ingredients. So we are doing a rainbow cookies mix. So we have a butter and we have water. Hi.
Hi. Are you okay? This cake. I got it.
You got it. Yeah, but we are not making a cake today. We're making cookies.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Why are you laughing? Oh my God, your scissors. Okay, cut. 2 hours later, we're still cutting.
This one.
Yeah, oh, they have...
This one.
Yes, please, put it in there. Oh, careful, don't waste them.
No, boy.
Okay, oh, why you do it? Please don't waste it, we don't have much. Oh, okay. So look at how it's looking like. Oh, I'm going to test this. M&M. And white chocolate extra.
Here.
Yeah. Take.
Help. Oh, is it here?
Yeah. Stuck.
Help me. This one, water. This one.
Yes, not all of them, just a little bit.
One, two, three, four.
Okay.
No.
You literally added all of them. You're gonna have.
Ah! Oh, yeah! We did it.
Oh my God, I think he added more water. I think he added a lot of water.
Have you wrecked my cookies?
No, it's not your cookies. It's my cookies. Make some, please. We don't have enough.
My son, you have the right to remain silent. Oh, wow.
Cake.
It's not a cake, it's a cookie.
That's a lot of water.
I told him to stop. He keep going. I'm like, stop. He keep going, counting 1, 2. How are we going to solve this now?
Suck the water out.
How?
Mason, ready?
No.
I'm going to add a little bit of flour.
Oh. Hey.
Break it even more.
I'm going to break it. I'm going to thicken it. Let me add a little bit of flour. Do not do this
Why
at
does
all.
why does add
Help.
Sugar will not thicken it up.
It's
You know what I'm
mine.
talking about.
No.
Listen, I just want little.
This one.
Not there. Where is mine? This thing.
Help.
I know, Mason.
I will make the help.
This is what you get when you do Francis and Mason.
Knickknacks.
Yeah, mix. You don't even want me to do anything.
Ngozi.
Let me help you.
Look at you.
I just want to help you.
It's going to be one of those in which
No.
I'm going.
here.
Enjoy your cooking, my son. Enjoy making your mess. Mason, kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Help, 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 help.
Help! Mummy, let him help. Mummy, let him help.
I want this cookie to be good. I love cookies. I'm just trying to
Help.
make these cookies, for these cookies to survive.
Help, 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 help.
Let's,
Ah, that is good.
whatever that happens in these cookies, do not say anything, just say shh. Hopefully it tastes good.
Hey, here.
Let me help.
Very chocolate. Bye-bye, Daddy.
It's
To make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I wanna spend some time with you.
first time baking a cookie. My God, it's soft.
This is cheese. This is cheese.
It's nice.
It's cheese. Ah ha ha.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.